Alright guys, time for a mouse upgrade. So I've been waiting for a long time to get kind of a better gaming mouse because I've been running a wired mouse for a long time right now, and I'm moving to ATTACKSHARK, and this is called X11 mouse. So basically this is a Bluetooth mouse. Yep, it can work with Bluetooth. I don't know a lot about this. It's a couple of things. I think probably will be learning along the way as well. So it's time to unbox ATTACKSHARK X11. Let's see what's in the box. So let's open it, and inside you get a charging dock. It's like a dock. You can rest the mouse on it and you can use it to charge. Then you get the cable. It's a type C cable, so yep. And then let's get the box out of the way, and a sticker pack. Let's see what's in this. You get a couple of stickers, the book, the guide, and then you have a couple of stickers that comes with this, more stickers, ATTACKSHARK, and then you have some rubber grips. I think this would be really handy because I'm probably using the mouse a lot in gaming, and usually my mouse, you can see my old mouse, the rubber grip it's already gone. So yeah, rubber grips might be very useful. So this is what you get in the box. The main event. Where's the main event? Oh my god. And here we go. ATTACKSHARK. Damn. Feels very lightweight, not gonna lie. It's really lightweight. And then I think you have the dongle right here. And then we have to peel it off. Alright, so basically it's a very lightweight mouse, and I'm going to give you guys the sound. Yeah, I'll let you have another sound clip and the sound test. It's really lightweight. Compared to the size with my previous mouse, it's the same, but my previous mouse has a lot of RGB in it. Sometimes when I'm watching a movie and stuff, I can't turn off the mouse, so I kind of don't like that. But one thing good about it, the DPI switch is right here, and then you have another double click button right here, which I never used actually, and then you have two side buttons right here. They are really good as well, but if you look at this one, it's really lightweight. It's pretty easy to handle, and I can feel the buttons. Like I literally can feel the buttons. I don't know which one. I don't know which one is better, but I feel like this one is like more smooth and clickier than the other ones. And then it comes with a charging dock. I want to see the RGB on this. Let me quickly fix this up. Okay, this video might be a bit longer, but I will definitely post a short version of this as well. Oh, you can't remove this one. That's crazy. So yep, let me quickly plug this in, and let's plug this, and it's type C, so it's cool. Ooh, it has some cool RGB effect. Nice. Alright. I like that one. I think there's a couple of RGB modes. You have this, and then you have like single color. It just changes colors. That looks cool. It's not too shiny, not too bright. I think it's in the right area. And then it has this, like the color goes around it. This looks cool as well. Wow. I might be able to sync it with my CPU rating, I guess. Maybe. I like it. It's heavy. It has got some weight to it. And the best thing about it is that you can rest your mouse. Wow. And it's charging. Damn. And it shows that it's charging with a different color. Damn, I think once it's fully charged, it's gonna be green or something. Look, the charging animation is like it, the animation, and also like it has some kind of a magnetism in it. So like when I bring the mouse closer, it automatically, well, it happened the first time. There we go. It just drags the mouse closer to it. Look, see? Wow, that's neat. And it's charging, so whenever I'm not using the mouse, I can just leave it there like that. That's crazy. I like that. That's cool. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. It's a really lightweight mouse, really clicky. I like the sound of it. So I'm probably gonna play a couple of games. I'm pretty sure I'll like it more than the previous mouse. And yeah, ATTACKSHARK X11, ladies and gentlemen.